A house built blank stone. Answer option A of a house built of stone. Position the chair blank the desk. Answer option C at position the chair at the desk. The teacher will meet you blank the classroom. Answer option B at the teacher will meet you at the classroom. He holds the phone blank his ear. Answer option B over. He holds the phone over his ear. Throw the ball blank me. Answer option A 2. Throw the ball to me. The book fell blank the shelf. Answer option D of the book fell off the shelf. The meal was cooked blank his own recipe. Answer option A with the meal was cooked with his own recipe. He shouted blank me. Answer option B at he shouted at me. I hold the book blank my eyes. Answer option D over. I hold the book over my eyes. The tiger was killed blank a rifle. Answer option C with the tiger was killed with a rifle. He will return blank next month. Answer option B by. He will return by next month. He is blank bed. Answer option A in. He is in bed.